It's the Slime Lab, and today we're going to be reviewing Peachy Babies. I'm so excited to be doing this review. The last time I did a review on Peachy Babies, got a lot of, I wouldn't say hate, just a lot of comments saying that it was out of the picture. Trust me, this time it won't be. And I'm trying to make my videos a lot better for you guys. And I just got a new setup, and I really hope that you'll like it. A bunch of slimes, and they're all really nice and colorful. I will leave a link down to my shop and my restocking video so you guys can go watch that and buy from my shop. All my prices are $1 per ounce, and the shipping is $2 for the whole thing, and then it adds on 50 cents every slime. Again, don't forget to comment down below some slime shops I should review, some video suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe down below and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Let's get on with this slime video. So the last time I ordered from Peachy Babies, she had she was with Etsy, not with her own website. And again, she puts her fragile handle with care stickers on it, which is unique so the slimes don't break. So I noticed that she bubble wrapped the slimes together. She also includes an invoice. And I think that's it. The invoice says which slimes I got, and it has her logo on it also. She also includes this little note. It is not handwritten, and some instructions for your slime. These are the two slimes that I bought. It's not really important, but I just noticed that this logo is different from this logo. This one's a little bit darker, and this one's a little bit lighter, and the font is a little bit bigger, but that really doesn't matter. She also included a borax baggie next to the slime. She uses the standard Uline, I'm pretty sure, 4-ounce jars. They seem pretty sturdy, and because this has no cracks in it, and it doesn't seem like it's damaged at all. She also puts the name of her slime on the bottom of the jar, which is a really nice thing to do. Right off the bat, as soon as you open the slime, you can smell the amazing Tropical Skittles mix scent. It just smells so heavenly, and the slime is really glossy, and so I really like. It is sort of thick, but that might just be because it's really cold outside, and when it warms up, it could be less thick, but for now, I'm saying it is a thick slime. It is yellow, and again, it's really glossy. It has some large foam beads and some small Tropical Skittle mix color foam beads, and I just really like the slime. The foam beads give the slime a little nice crunch. The slime self-crunches a little bit, which is really nice. So overall, I rate this slime a 10 out of 10. The big and small foam beads give it a really nice, different texture than a lot of other slimes with the mix of different foam beads. It's really glossy, and it's really thick. I love the color. It's a really vibrant yellow. It is a really vibrant yellow. It's a really nice touch with the other foam beads. And I just really love the slime so much. And here is some ASMR for you guys. So the next slime is Carnival BB Bear. This is a cereal milk foam. And I just want to talk about the container. If you didn't know, she has new 8-ounce containers. They are screw tops. Her containers used to be like my standard 8-ounce Uline containers, but now they're the screw top containers, which I really like. So let's get on with the slime. The container looks really sturdy, and again, she put the label for the slime on, and again, the logo looks a little bit different from the other one. Since they are screw top, they have the little like protector thing, and this one is a silver shiny metallic one. That wasn't necessary to point out, but I felt like I should. Okay, so this is the slime. It has huge foam beads and some purple small foam beads. It kind of reminds me of my Pink Posh Cake Pop. It kind of reminds me of the smell of yogurt and berry cereal, and also a little bit like the tropical Skittles mix, because it has like a little sour scent. But it also smells like marshmallow. It's really crunchy. I love this so much. I really like how there are small and big foam beads again. I just love the crunch so much. Again, it did just rip a little, but that is probably because of the cold weather. And I've had this inside for like a few hours, but it's still a little bit stiff, but because of the weather, it's not her fault, so please don't give a bad review if it's stiff right when you unbox it. And that goes for any shop, not just Andrea's shop. It happens to most slime shops. So this slime is super glossy. I'm going to try and take it out. Oh, look at that. It looks so nice. These containers I don't like as much as the normal Uline containers, just because you have more room to play with them in the containers, and because it's kind of difficult to get all the slime out. I'll be back when all the slime is taken out. So it's taken me about like 3 to 5 minutes to take out this much. It's not even all of it, but that's okay. It's most of the slime though. So the slime is really glossy. I love the scent so much. I love the big foam beads. There's a lot of them, so the texture is really nice. I love the color. I really love how, like, this is a flat. I love floams, and I love it self crunches. And I love how glossy it is too. It's also really clicky. And again, the scent is like so amazing. You guys don't even know. You should definitely buy this one. As a result, I rate this slime an 9.5 out of 10, just because it is very hard to get the slime out of the container. But we're not buying the container, we're buying the slime, so yeah. Otherwise, I love the slime so much. It's very glossy. What am I saying? Glossy. It's very glossy, very clicky, very crunchy. It self-crunches, which is a nice feature to the slime. Sorry for the shakiness. I love it so much. It has really amazing bubble pops. The scent is mouth-watering. And I don't know, I just love it so much. So out of the whole package, I definitely rate this a 9 3/4 out of 10, just because the shipping took a little over a week. It took about 8 days, but it's not as bad as the last time that I ordered from her. It took about 3 weeks to receive my slimes when I selected a 1 week, but that's okay. She does not include any extras, which is fine with me. She does include a borax baggie. Most of the time, sometimes I've seen a review where she doesn't include borax baggie, but she did for me, so I'm not going to take any points off for that. I love how she does like a little note. Thanks so much for your purchase. I hope you love your new slime. And the slimes I rate so well. The BB cereal, berry cereal, was a 9.5 out of 10 because I loved all the slime and the stuff crunch and the foam beads and how clicky and glossy it was. And I love the scent. But it was a 9.5 just because it was hard to get out of the container. And then the Tropical Skittles mix was a 10 out of 10 because I loved it so much. The scent was so mouth-watering. It was so clicky and very glossy. And it was kind of elastic, which I liked too. And I love how there are small foam beads and big beads, and there's not an even ratio to it. And I really like when slimes are like that, but that really doesn't matter. That's just my opinion. But so yeah, I really hope you buy from their shop. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this slime review. I will leave the link to my shop down below. I will leave the link to Andrea's shop down below also, along with her YouTube channel. And yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to the Slime Lab to become a #Sliminator. Don't forget to comment #Sliminator down below for a chance to get a shout out. You most likely won't unless you buy slime from my shop, which is also linked down below. Again, you do get a shout out if you show me proof that you bought. And all my slimes are really cheap, $1 per ounce. So yeah, don't forget to leave some comments down below suggesting some videos and telling me which other shops I should buy from. And I want to do a underrated slime shop review, and I have 1 spot left open. I already have 3 other shops I'm going to review that are sending me slimes for free. You have to send me a slime, at least 1 slime for free. If you're sending me 1, then it has to be 8 ounce. And you have to comment down below if you want to be reviewed. And if you have a way for me to contact you to tell you about the info about how to ship it to me. But everyone else who was picked, I will contact you very, very soon if I haven't already. So yeah, don't forget to comment down below any video suggestions, any slime shop that you would like me to review. And don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe for a lot more videos just like this. And tell me down below if you like my new setup. Bye guys!